What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be working on the G35. We've pretty much done almost everything on this car and modified. Hey, relax. Almost everything on this car. What can we do to make it look better?
To make it look better?
Yeah, I think we're pretty much maxed out on power.
I mean, the headlights are pretty ugly.
She's talking shit about your headlights, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, she's talking mad shit about your headlights.
It's alright, I'll buy some right now.
I'm always a fan of stock headlights. When you go aftermarket, can't really trust them. You don't know.
It's fine.
eBay, you don't know. Something could happen. Car could catch on fire. They could yellow, but...
Didn't your car catch on fire once?
Hey, shut up. We don't talk about that.
Was that eBay?
Yes. These are personally my favorite G35 headlights, but they are yellowing, and we tried cleaning them up. You could try clear coating them. The best way to do it is to send them out and get them professionally done. We got something special, an eBay special.
Spec-D headlights.
Oh.
Greatest things in the world. Check this out.
I'll be honest with you guys, this is my idea. Woo!
So
Okay.
it is sequential. So when you turn, it goes woot, woot, and it makes that noise too.
You want to we should probably show them what the woot means, huh? I don't think they understand.
I don't understand.
Lately, I've been seeing so many G35 builds with these headlights. I did end up finding them on eBay, and they are pretty pricey. They're around like $400. I wouldn't spend that much on headlights, eBay headlights, but we are trying to black out this car. So these black headlights with the sequential turn signals is gonna look really sick. And honestly, I can't tell you that they're bad because we've never put them on our cars. We're just saying that because we're fucking around. They're eBay headlights, but we are gonna be trying them on. I think they're the nicest looking eBay headlights you could buy on any car. Like, they don't look bad. Even the seams don't like. I feel like the only problem with these headlights is probably yellowing, which we'll probably wax it like every fucking day so they don't.
I'm gonna tint them.
No!
I'll put very light tint in the front and the rear.
They're already black. To do the headlights properly, you do have to remove the bumper. This is a poly aftermarket bumper, so we just have the grill held on by 2 bolts and just the sides held on. So it should be pretty easy to remove. OEM bumpers are gonna have a lot more bolts. They're gonna have the fender liner, all that good stuff.
So after this, we gotta make sure it makes it faster because they're aerodynamics.
Yeah, and they're lightweight. They're lighter than the OEM ones. Here you go, Martin. I'm gonna let you do all the work. When you take off the bumper, there is 2 bolts down here. One down there, and then another one. And they're both 10 millimeters, and then one on top. I mean, the headlights are still pretty clean. I did clean them about like 3 weeks ago. 2 to 3 weeks ago. Ooh, sick ass full. So the turn signal is gonna be this piece. This light bar, and right here is where the regular incandescent bulb is. They both have the halos on each one. This one uses a different bulb. From the old G35 models, the pre-facelift, I should say, the 03 and 04s, and then the 05s and 06s use different ones, right?
Yes.
They're H4 bulbs. So this is the resistor, and that's because he's actually going with an LED setup, which is right here. And these are gonna be really, really bright, and it's gonna look really nice. You got, how many whites did you get? How many?
4,000.
Fuck. This is pretty much plug and play, and I believe this comes in with its own resistors and fan. We are gonna have to reuse everything on the old original headlights. So literally all this is just the housing, and we're gonna be reusing all the bulbs, especially this xenon piece. So we're gonna be removing it, placing it on here, and running all the wires through here. So this little single wire, I don't know what the hell this thing goes to, because I was thinking that it would go to this type of bulb that goes straight in there, but obviously it's way too small. So we're gonna have to take all that apart. Martin, you get the easy shit. You get wire horns.
It's not that easy. I gotta cut and splice and stuff.
We didn't hook up the resistor just to see what it would cost, kind of give you guys an idea. Cause sometimes, just sometimes, it'll work, and then sometimes it doesn't. Ooh, that does look so sick. Turn signal? That looks so sick, dude. Oh shit. One light down, one more to go. If you guys haven't been living under a rock, you guys will know a couple months ago, Popeyes made this chicken sandwich, and it took the world by storm. Now they have them back in stock. I haven't tried it. I know it's a little weird because like everyone was trying it, but Stephanie hasn't tried it either. So I think we're gonna go get some Popeyes soon. After Martin hurries up and finishes the goddamn headlight. Huh? Can't hear you.
I'm doing all the hard work.
Can't hear you.
I
Yes.
am doing
Yes.
all the hard work.
They're both on. and they look so clean. I didn't have too much of a high expectation just because they are from eBay, and I was wrong. You proved me wrong, Martin. You did a good job. I don't know how long they'll last, but the only thing bad about them would literally just be the quality of the cover, because it's using all OEM things. It's using the ballasts and everything.
It's gonna be fine. I just predicted the future.
The scratch came off.
It's still there, bitch.
That looks so dope. Oh my god. Martin, what do you think?
I think I'm too good for this channel.
I'm proud of you for what you've done.
From how I first got it to now to a scratch headlight.
Hey, that wasn't me. I swear that was Stephanie. So that's what sequential means, is that it's like actually moving.
Close.
Yeah. Kind of like the Mustangs.
I got a Mustang. Gapper. I got the GT, but it was an older model. But I still got that motherfucker.
Spectre.
Hey, next time you see me out there, don't try to run me.
I do recommend you guys checking these out. The video actually does do it justice because it just looks so good on camera as well. Alright, turn them on now. Okay, you can actually tell that they're on though. Turn them off. Yeah, you can tell that they're on. It's not a big difference, but they do have a lag when you turn them on. Like even the turn signal. See, you can barely even see the turn signal as well. So I feel like only like on dim situations you're even gonna be able to see it. I guess that's the only bad factor, is if you want them really bright, they're not gonna be that bright.
What is this one?
Those are fog lights, fool.
I just want everyone to know that that is Martin. He's saying I'm stuck.
And this ugly one is Stephanie.
We did unfortunately eat Burger King. I was craving Popeyes, but I'm not even craving any food anymore, so we're probably gonna have to go another day. Since we're pretty much done with everything that we have today, and we didn't want to leave you guys really short like we have been, because a lot of you guys want us to go a little longer, Martin. So I did post on my story to do a little Q&A, and it's not gonna be a big one, but I'm gonna find the good questions so I can go a little more into detail on things that we do. The first question of the day is going to be, how did you and Static Stephanie meet?
I can answer that.
All right.
Craigslist.
What?
He was looking for a girlfriend, and
Yeah, I
Pretty
put
much
her
did
down on Craigslist.
Long story short is I used to work at Target, and Stephanie used to work at Target, and
That's pretty much it.
yeah, that's pretty much it. Went up to her and was like, yo, girl.
No, he didn't. He messaged me on, he DM'd me on
Nah,
Instagram.
first of all, I started going up to her in person and was like, yo, so you know my homie? And she's like, yeah. And cause like they're kind of related. And I was like, well, what's good? We were just talking. Then I hit her up on Instagram. And I was like, are you Static Stephanie from Target? That was the first thing I ever
No,
told
he
her.
didn't. He said, are you Stephanie from Target?
Oh yeah, I didn't, yeah.
With the
that's
heart
Static
emoji with the, and then he deleted it like a minute.
I didn't put a heart emoji, did I?
You did.
Okay, so did I? If I did, that was probably my homie. Shout out to my homie Jose. If you're watching this, I respect you. We were sitting at a Denny's in Camarillo, California. And that was the first time I messaged her. Okay. Would you ever bag a car? And if so, what car?
Ooh.
Next question.
Next one, love the videos.
Thank you.
Eric_Luna, respect.
Why you have such long schlong?
You got that one too?
Yeah.
By the same guy?
Chavez asked us, and
Same.
how many chuggas do you need before choo-choo?
Hold on. Chugga, chugga, choo-choo.
Two. What's next with the IS300? The next thing I'm gonna do is an Alteza grill. And
When are we doing that?
we don't.
Tomorrow.
It's nothing big, but it's JDM and it's authentic. It's none of that eBay, Amazon, and I spent a lot for it.
All right, one question is, do you plan on putting cams on the G? Like I want to, so I could make that 300 wheel, but I see it as, at that point, if I'm gonna be pretty much taking apart the motor, I'm better off just rebuilding it since I'm already there. That's
Yeah,
how I feel.
mean,
So probably not anytime soon.
I don't know. I
Maybe.
feel like cams would be good. And considering that the motor is not too old, it probably has like 100,000 on it right now.
Less.
Less? So
Still has under 95. I don't really drive
that's
that
good.
much.
That's really good. So I mean, it wouldn't be too bad to just swap in cams, but like he said, you would have to take off the timing cover, take off obviously the cams and all the head components, because when you do cams, you don't just replace the cams. You have to replace a lot of stuff.
And at that point, I bet I'll just rebuilding.
Yes, like valve retainers and all that bullshit. Kind of a gray area in a sense, because we wanna buy that stuff when we're able to do it ourselves in a shop. And the thing is, we are doing videos in a driveway that is constantly used, and we just can't have cars just sitting around. So the things that we do have to be maximum like 3 days of sitting and get them done and out of here. And that's what makes it hard. And I mean, to be honest with you, if we had a shop, that's where things would go next level. I'd be able to be like, all right, E30, you're just gonna be sitting here, we're gonna pull the motor, we're gonna build it, or we're gonna swap it in with a different one. Our tactics and our mods would be different for this channel. It would be more geared towards like full send stuff.
What are your plans for the G35 boost?
Boost, yeah, that's pretty much the angle.
Just get straight to the point, just boosting eventually.
Cams, I feel like you said, Cams when he does a rebuild.
This question might come up too about the plans and boosting it. How much do I plan on pushing? I think safe about 400 to wheels on a non-built should be chill. Shout out to Jose.
Obviously.
That's his Instagram.
That's his Instagram
name, so follow him.
Alright. Do auto Gs deserve respect?
No. I'm just kidding, they're fast. I mean,
they have their own like little category. Like even when it comes to the IS300, I've said it before. If you can buy a manual for roughly the same price as the auto variant, why not get the manual? Unless obviously you're using it as a daily and stuff like that. But like that was the reason why I bought the IS300. That was auto, because it was so much more expensive, so much rarer to get the manual, and even then it had way more miles and they were beaten on. And that's why it's like, for me, I'd rather give you guys more content, upgrade things instead of just having a manual. I'm gonna be replacing the clutch. I'm probably gonna do a tranny swap to a different transmission because the stock Lexus transmissions don't handle well. So it's gonna be a bunch of things that I'm gonna be changing. Might as well just do a manual swap. When it comes to E46s, you can buy an E46 manual for like 3 grand, 4 grand. E36 is 3 grand. You can buy a G35 sedan that they're coming out with a lot. I've seen online on Facebook. You can buy them for around like 4 to 5 grand. Like they're so cheap. Whereas you go to a Lexus IS300, it's like 8 grand with 190,000 miles, and it's so clapped. Give you guys a quick little update on what's going on with the Static Garage brand. We did sell pretty good on the shirts, and we thank you guys for everyone who supported and bought some, and for you guys who bought multiple. For winter, we probably will only drop like one hoodie design and kind of make it more of like a limited thing, so we're gonna have less. And we are gonna be dropping some slaps for you guys, so some die cuts and some actual stickers, because a lot of you guys asked for that. So we're probably gonna have that very soon, and we're gonna drop it around December, late December, kind of towards Christmas. And we'll have that all wrapped up, and they are going to be pre-orders, and I'll be talking more about it in the next coming videos, because Stephanie's gonna start designing them, because she designs all of our work. Everything's gonna be coming out soon with the design that we're gonna be dropping, and obviously the sticker designs, and we might just keep it very simple. We'll have some regular Static Garage slaps, we'll have some actual like really cool designed ones, maybe some sparkly ones like the old drops, but we are going to be taking our time, because obviously with the rebrand that we just did recently a couple months ago, we want to have everything done right. And we've actually been spending a lot of money behind the scenes that we don't really talk about, like making it a legitimate company, which we just actually went through. So congratulations to Martin and I for having our first company. Now we're just pretty much wrapping things up, getting the portfolio ready, because they already got approved by the state. Everything's pretty much done, just going to be sent to us. So that's really good. And if you guys have made it this far in the video, I want to ask you guys, what kind of videos do you like enjoying more? Do you like more install videos where we just focus straight up on the car, kind of like when we did with the coilovers? Or do you like more of a vlog, kind of like when we revealed the car and we went out, you know, met new people, did a couple runs, just fucked around? Do you guys like seeing that? And kind of like what we're doing right now, where like towards the end of the video, we'll kind of do a Q&A or something small. It's kind of hard to kind of work things out with our schedules. So we try to push long videos for you guys, but at the same time, it depends on the day. And especially since if you guys are from California or in the US, time changes every so often.
Terrible.
So now it gets dark like at 4 or 5. And we used to do videos Sundays, which is we always do videos, that's our days off. And Thursdays, which is my day where I get off around like 4 o'clock, 3:30. And that day I'm able to do a video until it gets dark like at 7 or 8, but now I can't. So it's gonna kind of hold us back from doing 2 videos a week. Forgive us if we don't upload a lot. And now that we only have one video a week, if you guys want to see more in depth, you know, then we'll talk about, you know, what we did and like kind of go more into detail. Any questions, we'll, you know, talk about it. Just let us know and we'll do that.
Well, let us know if like you guys want to see like different kind of videos too,
Like challenges.
Yeah, like challenges
We'll
or like something more like in the entertainment aspect.
That's pretty much it for today's video.
No.
Oh.
What do you have to say?
The more merch that you buy from us, the faster we can build our cars and the easier it'll be for us to get a shop. So
Yes.
it does help.
Yeah, it does.
So we do respect.
And understand that the money we put in right now towards the brand, we're getting it back, but we're not using any of it. It's literally going to the brand, the payments for, you know, any financial things for the company. It's literally going to all of that, and we don't make a lot off YouTube right now. We really don't. We make nothing.
It really doesn't do anything.
So all this is just literally our days off where we do videos to try to pump them out for you guys, and that's why buying our stuff would help us out. And we don't want you guys to buy things that you don't like just because you want to support us, and that's why we're making dope ass shit for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the headlights on the G35, even though my S300 will gap that full. But on that note,
Please.
like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one. They just started serving Popeyes. It literally said 7:30. It's 7:36 right now, and there's a huge line. So hopefully we can get one before they run out. Shit's nuts. That shit's nuts. We literally have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have like 20 people in front of us. Kid you not. Kind of don't want to record them because I don't want to get sued. But we have a lot of people in front of us. Popeyes? 3 meals?
Yeah, brother.
You're a sick ass fool. If we were balding, it's a big thing. It's a big deal.
Hold on. Danny got the plane because of the
This is actually like 2 days later, just FYI. Okay, I got the regular one, the classic or whatever, and then Marin and Stephanie got the spicy, and it's the mayo that makes it spicy. I got it without the mayo, that's why. And fun fact, you can buy as much as you want. So literally, if you want to run out, you can. All right, ready? Ready?
Ready? That was pretty fucking bomb.
This is fucking bomb, bro.
That's pretty fucking bomb.
This thing is...
I've had this before. No more.
Shut up, Martin.
I'm not gonna lie, this shit's so dank.
There it is. So delicious, actually. But I've had it somewhere. I don't know where.
This shit hit me good. I was so skeptical.
I know what people are talking about now, dude.
I understand, dude.
They might have put cocaine inside the sauce.
Why the fuck didn't we buy more?